This song's kind of old-fashioned, but it's got the truth to it. Because in the old days, the modern way of travel was by train. And this song gets on to everybody just to prove that everybody is a sinner. You need a Savior. His name is Jesus. Here we go. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory. You better get ready if you want to get aboard. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train, it don't carry no gamblers, this train. This train don't carry no gamblers, this train. This train don't carry no gamblers, crap shooters, or midnight ramblers. This train don't carry no gamblers, this train. This train don't carry no jokers, this train. This train don't carry no jokers, this train. This train don't carry no jokers, high-toned women, cigar smokers. Cigar smokers, oh yeah, that got you. Well, this train don't carry no liars, this train. This train don't carry no liars, this train. This train don't carry no liars, slow walkers or midnight flyers. This train don't carry no flyers, this train. This train don't carry. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, carrying hay. This train is bound for glory, this train. Yeah, you know what I said there. Only carries the righteous and the holy. That got you, didn't it? Okay, here we go. This train, it's the last train. This train. This train is the last train. This train. This train is the last train. You better get aboard this old train. This train, it's the last train. This train. This train is bound for glory. This train. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory. You better get ready if you want to get aboard.